Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett has told the city of Naperville, Illinois, you better answer with some more information related to their assault weapon ban and magazine ban. And I want to talk to you about this because this was on an emergency application to the Supreme Court from the Seventh Circuit case that's going on right now. All right, let's talk about what's going on here. In this case, it's in the Seventh Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals, and it's a case brought by the National Association of Gun Rights versus Naperville, Illinois. Now, Naperville, they've passed two laws. One was a so-called assault weapon ban and a magazine ban. And the challenge is over. Obviously, they're illegal, right? They violate Heller, they violate Bruin. These are commonly owned items. Second Amendment protects them. We all know it. We're all on the same team if you're watching this, well, most of you. So while the Seventh Circuit is trying to figure out what do we do here? We really don't like guns, but the Bruin, they told us we have to follow this Constitution thing. So similar to what GOA did with the Second Circuit when they were talking about the CCIA, when they appealed to Sonia Sotomayor, who was the justice for that circuit, NAGR did the same thing, an emergency application to the United States Supreme Court seeking injunctive relief pending appellate review. And they did this a couple days ago. It was Wednesday, the 26th of April. And yesterday, Justice Amy Coney Barrett said, you know what? Yeah, there's something to this. And she demanded more information from Naperville and gave them until the 8th of May. They have a week to provide the information that she is seeking. And this could be good for an assault weapon ban. Could you imagine if the Supreme Court would do something about it right now? It would be beautiful, right? Now let's show you real quick. This is what was filed. This is the emergency application for injunction pending appellate review. And the question that was presented is simple. Can the government ban the sale, purchase, and possession of certain semi-automatic firearms and firearm magazines, tens of millions of which are possessed by law-abiding Americans for lawful purposes when there is no analogous historical ban as required by the DC versus Heller and the New York State Rifle and Pistol Association Inc. versus Bruin cases? Now, I will have this document linked down below for your review, but I'm going to jump down to the conclusion from the attorney. He said, plaintiffs have established all of the elements required to demonstrate that they are entitled to injunctive relief pending appellate review. Therefore, they respectfully request that the circuit justice, in this case it's Justice Amy Coney Barrett, grant this application or refer it to the full court. Applicants move the court for entry of an injunction restraining enforcement of the challenged laws pending full appellate consideration of the district court's order denying their motion for an injunction preliminarily enjoining enforcement of the challenged laws. Now, this comes hot on the heels of the preliminary injunction that was just issued days ago in Illinois. And if you're watching this, then you want some items and you live in Illinois that were banned and there's an injunction against right now. Brownells is shipping to Illinois, so there's that. And that's why I think by Justice Amy Coney Barrett actually kicking in here, this could be really good. Now, we'll wait and see, but this could be really good. It's common practice, but it could be good. It could be really good. So let's keep our eyes on this and see what's going on. If you want to stay in the loop, you know what you have to do. Hit that subscribe button right down below because Jared is going to keep you in the loop. That's what I do every day here on Guns and Gadgets, bring you the Second Amendment news. So if you're a new viewer, welcome. Hopefully you stick around. If you want that information, I'll bring it to you. And for those old dogs, those old salty cats who have been around forever, I really, really can't express how much y'all mean to me. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. Until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. That's what we're supposed to do. We the people. We the people. Supposed to keep our friends, our family, our community safe, guys and gals. And yeah. Check out the USCCA if you carry a gun. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.